Guys, we got a 2017 Ferris Z2. This has a Kawasaki fuel injected engine. This has 3,800 hydrogears. This has your Ferris ICD deck. She has 741 beautiful hours on it. The guys couldn't find anything wrong with it when we traded in. So we're gonna do, this has your, of course, your Ferris famous platform suspension with the big spring on it. This has got a real comfortable pad. This has been used a little commercially, but it's not in bad shape. 741 hours on her. We're about to change oil on it. I think we need to change out the blades. And we're about to roll this out for $39.99. Y'all come on and get you a good commercial mower. This also has your electronic throttle body on it. This is a bad stand-on mower.